Yo, we back with some pickups. Some heat. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? So I had another video planned for this. Uh these here. But it didn't turn out right. So I'm gonna just throw them in this video. Y'all fine with that. But yo, what's going on? Josh Kicking It crew. We back. And once again, I'm gonna stop saying we back. But we are here. We here to talk about some shoes and some clothes, man. I told y'all I stay on the clothes, I stay on the hats, all that good stuff. Yeah, we here. Little H&M pickup I got on, you know. As we got some more H&M stuff. And with all that being said, let's get into it. So we're gonna start at the top. Bam, bam, bam. I ain't bought a hat. When I say I ain't purchased a hat in a minute, yo, it's been a while. I've been growing my hair out. I look wild under this hat, so that's why I got a hat on. But I haven't bought a hat in a minute. And I walked in the list the other day and I said, you know what? It's time. It's time. So with that being said, and it's time, let's see what we got in the bag here. First off, spent all together in lids. Good $89. Lids ain't nice to you. But I got some decent pickups. Here you go. Bam. I got that Milwaukee Brewers hat. Brewers. Milwaukee Brewers hat. You can't go wrong with it. This is a new drop for them with the camo on the lid up top with the gray on the bottom. Man, in that great old 7.5 with that patch on the side. I was gonna go for a Detroit hat, but this hat in the Detroit just didn't look right to me. I just was not feeling it. At all. I wasn't. And I think this right here, we're gonna do some things with this. Y'all see that brim? Whoo! I wish they would have did something under the brim as well, but we can live with that. We can live without it. We can live without it being nothing on the brim. So this one here was the one that I was like, I don't know. I was on the fence about it. And I didn't know what I wanted to do with it. And I was just like, fuck it. We gotta get it. Even though they sucked this year, I had to go with my home team. I had to go with the home squad. And bam. Trucker hat, Detroit Piston hat. Listen to me. Listen, Linda. I'm not a trucker hat guy. I hate trucker hats. But this teal color with the DP on the side, Detroit Pistons on the side, it's a snapback, it's a Michelin nest. You can't go wrong with this. And it's just too clean. I have a lot of Detroit Pistons hats, but this one right here stood out to me and I had to cop it. So be on the lookout for some fits with this. Summertime coming. You know I'm pulling this out. And you know I'm coming with something crazy with this. Be on the lookout for that. But this right here is crazy. Crazy. But with all that being said, let's move to the chest. I didn't get shoes, hats. I never go shopping for outfits. I think that's the craziest thing you can do is go shop for outfits. Because you always gonna want to wear it together. Oh, I got these shirts and these pants. They go together. I don't do outfits. I hate outfits. I go get a shirt. I go get pants. I go get a hoodie. I go get whatever. And I mix and match. I don't do Adidas and Nikes and stuff like that. But different other clothing labels, I mix and match. And I mix and match for one reason. When you got so many pieces and you have so much stuff, it's always fun to mix and match. Always fun to mix and match. That's when you get some of the dopest fits when you mix and match. But let's keep it moving. Bam. Drop by H&M to see what they had in there. And just picked up a couple little things. Put the bag out the way. Bam. Me personally, I don't think you go wrong with a all black t-shirt, oversized. This is a dope shirt. This is 2X. It's my size. It's a big shirt. I'm a big dude, so I had to get a black tee And this black tee only ran, I don't even think they got the tag in here, but it only ran around like $12. So you can't go wrong with that. Crop top, black tee, not deep dark black, but a black as in with a brownish tint to it to get you there, And we had to go with a cream tee with some blue on it, just because hey, I like everything's cream now. Nothing's white, everything's cream, and I think this would be straight. It got some writing on it, little patchwork, little writing on the side there. Not sure what it says. Um, these peeps. But yeah, I thought it was a dope shirt. Like I said, this shirt was $12.99 too. So just some little pickups, just some stuff to have running out to somewhere. You always got to have a black tee or a t-shirt with a little writing on it. Just something simple. So that's where we going. Something simple. We got to keep it simple. You got to stay simple. When you start going crazy with stuff, that's when people be like, I don't know about that. But something simple. Every now and again, you gotta have something simple. You gotta have something just to go to the grocery store. And right or wrong. Go get something to eat. Whatever. It's just something simple. You gotta have these. These right here was what I was gonna put in my last video, but the file corrupted, so we're gonna get it in this video. Hey, I told y'all I was back, and we back talking about clothes, and we definitely getting it. Bam, 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 bam. The Nike. Y'all watch my shorts. Y'all seen these already, but the Nike Vomeros 5. These right here are great. Great colorway. A bunch of different colors on this shoe here. I think it's great for coming up for the spring. Just a great shoe. This dropped last year around, I want to say, Octoberish, if not a little bit after Octoberish. But it definitely dropped last year. This dropped so production date was 7/9/23, somewhere up in there. So yeah, so we definitely got these around November-ish and all that. Like I said, if y'all seen some of my other videos or some stuff I'm dropping now, I am going back and grabbing some shoes because sneaker market is crazy right now. Everything is dropping below retail. And if I can get a shoe that costs normally $160 for $100, $125, I'm going after it. Shout out to GOAT. Shout out to Foot Locker, all these places that's dropping Jordans and shoes to below retail because they're not selling. So, hey, this feel like before the pandemic. I said that before, but it feel like before the pandemic where you can definitely walk in the store and get some Jordans and get whatever you're looking for. But these right here, definitely a comfort shoe. Still remind me of the New Balance 2002R. If you haven't seen those, I'll put it up somewhere up in here. But it definitely reminds me of these. It got some of the features of the base and everything. This do have more cushion than the 2002R, but this is a dope shoe. The colorway is dope. I think it just has a lot going on with it. And you could just rock these whenever. I honestly think that this is one of them running to the stove fits, and it's a lot of comfort. This might be a workout shoe for me just because of the sheer comfort in these. Yes, they unlaced because I did try them on. So, bam, if you got a chance, get some of these. I got them off GOAT for, no, I didn't get these off GOAT. I got these off of Undefeated for a good $120 shipped and everything. Good $120 shipped and everything. So go on Undefeated. I'll link it down below. Yes. Go mess with these. Go mess with these. Moving on. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Getting my own. Man, getting my old early 2000s on. 2010 and stuff on. Like, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Yes. Anything else in here? What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, is it on that side? No. Damn. What's in the box? What's in the box? If y'all know me, y'all know what I be on. This is a Nike Air Max 1. Nike Air Max 1. I told y'all I haven't told y'all. Maybe I haven't told y'all. My goal is to stick with some neutral colors: browns, light greens, dark greens, greens. Just some real neutral tone colors, some browns, some different stuff like that. I went for this all. If you go back and look at some of my pictures, that's the all colors I'm doing. Some light grays, different, just neutral. Shout out to Beer Guy and Yeezy for definitely straying everybody that way, because that's what it's been. I said a couple years ago, the coconut milk on shoes will take over. Just go scroll up down your Nike page and see how many times you see coconut milk. Matter of fact, go to GOAT and type in coconut milk for a shoe and just tell me how many shoes pop up. That shoe is definitely, that color on the shoe is definitely taking over. So nevertheless, let's get into these because I went on a little rant. Let's get into these. I think these was definitely a great pickup, just to pick up. That was 100, but 88 bucks for these. And you can't go wrong with that, man. You can't go wrong with that. And just because it's April 1st, I'm gonna give y'all this anyway. It's April 1st. It'll be April 1st when I drop this. But anyways, I'm gonna give y'all this anyway. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, hey, go. Go. Ooh, they wrapped individually. Well, let's take them out. Let's take them out. They wrapped individually. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Another Air Max 1 to add to the collection, to selection. Don't trip what me and my homie came to do. This color on these, hold on, because I'm blinded today. This is a bronze. Oregon wood and bronze. Oregon wood and bronze. Oregon wood and bronze. Simple colorway. Dope colorway. I have a lot of clothes this colorway. So I thought it would be a great shoe to pick up. Definitely a great shoe to pick up. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing crazy on this shoe. Just a great shoe. A great solid color shoe. Like I said before, sometimes you don't gotta go crazy. Sometimes something simple will keep you in the mix of things. Definitely will. Leather, mesh, suede, leather, and you can't go wrong with that. Dope shoe. If you are a Air Max fiend or a person that wear Air Maxes, I have a wide foot, so I always go a half size bigger. Now on premium Air Maxes, you want to go true to size, because premium Air Maxes don't have a lot of cushion in them, and they'll be big on your foot if you do not go true to size. But on a normal one with the mesh and everything, I always go half size bigger because, like I said before, I have a wide foot. So if that's something y'all interested in or y'all want these, I got these off of GOAT. They was on sale for around 88 bucks. Pick them up, pick them up, pick them up, pick them up. But nevertheless, y'all do me a favor. Y'all stay blessed. Make sure you comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, share. And if you want more content from me, Josh Kicking It, Josh your boy, whatever, Josh Crew, whatever it may be, go to my TikTok. We stay active over there. Hey, and once again, do me a favor. Y'all stay blessed.